So hi everybody, this is TechHead. For today we're gonna make a gaming PC, okay, a mid-range gaming PC for a customer of ours who requested a mid-range gaming PC or a gaming PC for around $500. Not even $500, just $350 or $400. We made it below budget. Okay, he was. Let's guess whether he is disappointed or whether he is satisfied. I guess he will be more than satisfied because it's less than his budget. It's not around $500. So for the motherboard, we are going with a Gigabyte ultra durable plus series because Gigabyte is very awesome doing these things, because it has this ultra durable series which has gold plated and gold series capacitors, high end capacitors, high quality capacitors, which at the end of the day give you a lot of power efficiency. So this ultra durable means a lot. So this is why we went with the 1150 socket, that is the 4th generation compatible motherboard from Gigabyte, the B85MD3H. It costs around, just I guess it's around 7,000. No, it's around 100. Richard, is it $100? Okay, it's around $80 or something. $80. This is something great. We can and this is the Rev 2, the revision 2 edition, which is with the newest BIOS, can be overclocked. The K series Intel CPUs can be overclocked. So yeah, that's it with the motherboard. And here's the beast. Here is the Intel i5. We have chose this thing as the CPU, the Intel i5 4690K, the K series, the unlocked. We can unleash the power in it. Yeah, it cost a little more, but still this is a really awesome CPU. It can do a lot of multitasks so easily than other non-K series or something. This has a great rating as well. This is great. So, and then for cooling this bad boy, we have this Cooler Master HyperX 212X. Yeah, 212X. After the Evo, we had this X series. It has little changes to the heat pump, little changes to the heat sink, and the copper tubings are just interconnected, whereas in the Evo one they are this parallel to one another, but here they are interconnected. That's good. It makes a lot of sense. So the fan, the 120mm Cooler Master is good one. So you can even attach one at the back, like a push and back airflow, which makes it better cooling. So this thing. And where is the guy? Yeah, here we have the GTX 750 Ti. Yeah, from ZOTAC. This guy, the reason behind we selecting this thing is the thing is just so small. It's so cute, it's so adorable. You should see it. It just has one single fan on it. They were able to just fix one. It's because it's so small, it's so adorable. It got 2 gigs of DDR5 VRAM, and it is DirectX 11.2. sorry, but it isn't mentioned here, but still it is DirectX 11.2 compatible from ZOTAC, the normal 2GB edition. And yeah, that's pretty much what you need. The TI, it is also NVIDIA Shield compatible. You can see that. Sorry for the late responses from my camera. So it has all these key features: NVIDIA TXA, GPU 2 boost, and it is overclockable. You can now see this little beast, cute little adorable beast, up to 1137 megahertz and 1300 with a voltage increment to 1.137 volts. Yeah, this guy does a lot of things good. And another reason is it doesn't need an external power supply. Yeah, that's true. It does not even need an external 6-pin connector. Isn't that cool? Yes, it is. So this is the whole setup, and let me show you how this thing runs the Middle Earth Shadow of Mordor or whatever. You can see this guy. Yeah, you can see. Oh shit, where is this guy? Oh yes, you guys are so unlucky because it's night time over here. No. Wow, now you can see this. This car really does cool things. As you can see, the game is so smooth, and with these options, ultra high, you can see the settings here. Ultra high, everything ultra baby, maxed out setting. But the thing is, every mid-range gamer out there, this test display is a 900p display. As you can see here, 1400 into 900. Yes, 1400 into 900. So when you go with a bigger resolution or a higher resolution display like 1080, you'll just you'll get a low, like a 5 fps drops, just 5 or 4. We have another testing system over there at that, and Richard is using that right now. Let him hear. He's testing the RX. What's that you testing over there? Huh? Okay, he's just testing the RN 270 on the 1080p monitor. Okay guys, this is it for it. Any mid-range gamer out there, this is the options for you. And one more thing, today's sponsor is Zebranex wireless keyboard and mouse combo, the companion 2 series. Yeah, they're little cute things with red and black combination. I use those things for this test bench. You can see them right here. Are you able to see it? Yeah, they're wireless. Yeah, look at this cute little thing. Wow. Oh, somebody's getting hurt there. Okay guys, I gotta go. Bye. This is what I'll recommend for a mid-range gamer out there. Bye bye.